There is limitations of this method. While disabling the automatic update service will temporarily halt any Windows 10 cumulative updates, the service will re-enable itself after a certain amount of time. Open Start. Click the Windows logo in the bottom left corner of the screen. Type in Services. This will search your computer for the Services program. Click Services. It's at the top of the Start menu, just right of a gear-shaped icon. It will open the Services windows. Scroll down to the Windows Update option. You'll find this near the bottom of the windows. Right-click the Windows Update option. Click Properties. Doing so opens the Windows Update Properties windows. Click Stop. You'll find this option near the bottom of the windows. Clicking it prompts the Windows Update service to stop running. Click the Startup Type drop-down box. It's in the middle of the windows. Clicking this option prompts a drop-down menu. If you don't see this option, first make sure that you're on the right tab by clicking General at the top of the Properties windows. Click Disabled. It's in the drop-down menu. This will prevent the Windows Update service from automatically starting itself for the time being. Click Apply, then click OK. Both options are at the bottom of the windows. Doing so will apply your settings and close the Properties windows. The Windows Update service should now be disabled. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to subscribe.